Hey guys, Dave from Florida here, and I'm in High Springs, and I'm standing in front of the old passenger depot that was built in 1910. It's all the remains of the vast railroad complex that was located southwest of downtown that made High Springs a bustling railroad center for nearly 50 years. In 1895, the Plant Railroad System chose the town as the site of its divisional headquarters. Rail yards, workshops, and a roundhouse serviced hundreds of steam engines and cars sent to High Springs to be cleaned and repaired. The importance of High Springs as a rail center declined as diesel engines replaced the old steam locomotives after World War II. Gradually, all of the railroad buildings disappeared, except the depot, which was moved to this site and was renovated and is currently a museum. So let's walk around this fairly quickly. The city's actually using this building now for some things. So I'm glad they were able to save it. Not a really big train station, and you can see the back side of it here is the big doors that open up. So maybe the people went in this door here, or most likely that door there, and the luggage and whatever they were going to carry on the train was brought through those big sliding. Actually, those aren't sliding doors, those are actually doors that they swing open, which is kind of rare. They're usually sliding doors. So, I'll have to look at some pictures online if I can find some more information on the size of the rail yard here in High Springs. That might be some interesting